he's getting you. He's getting you. Oh. Yeah, he's getting you. Good afternoon, Katie K. Thank you for the heartbeat, Katie K. Same time. Yeah, it's whatever the trending song is right now. I think it has a good beat. It's the first time I ever heard it. I never heard this song before, you guys. This is a male. It's a little boy. Hello, Tuco. Thank you, Nani Nani. All over the place, Marie. All over the place. Thank you.